Hello and welcome to our second product release highlights video of this year. My name is Sven Denecken and I'm the COO of SAP S and Head of Product Success. As always, my team of experts has worked eagerly to offer our valued cloud customers the best possible products and innovations in this quarter's release. It is the SAP S/4HANA 2105 release. A lot in it again. Without any further ado, let me walk you through my top highlights of this release. You know the drill. Let's start with the most important highlight in finance, the shipment of innovations in Universal Parallel Accounting, which allows you to prepare and present financial statements for different sets of accounting standards across end-to-end processes using ledgers. In our last release, we already made it possible to flexibly assign accounting principle to these ledgers. In this release, we're taking it a step further. With the Universal Parallel Accounting, you now can perform parallel valuations and reporting for each accounting standard per ledger, resulting in individually calculated values for financial and management accounting. This actually ensures consistent parallel value flows and full audit trails that fulfill local and group-wide reporting requirements. With this innovation, we offer full flexibility while reducing the manual efforts by providing a high degree of automation and accuracy, of course, for parallel legal valuations. Now, for governance, risk and compliance, we deliver another must-have innovation. The new business content for SAP Financial Compliance Management is actually an innovation that supports you in establishing proactive risk management within your company and allows you to easily and quickly perform business-critical compliance checks with actually ready-made content. It comes with more than 30 of the most commonly used out-of-the-box controls, which, if needed, can also be tailored to fit your specific needs of your organization. This ensures actually time-saving and effortless usage while simultaneously increasing the level of financial compliance. With the new predefined automated control checks from procurement, sales, finance, finding suspicious activities and staying compliant, it is easier than ever. Let's move to sourcing and procurement, where we offer the integration of product compliance checks into purchasing processes to help enforce compliance at each step of the product lifecycle. With the integration of compliance information in purchasing processes such as stock transfers, we ensure the availability of safety information and provide safe and compliant transports of hazardous materials. The benefit here? The automated check and block of stock transport orders whenever safety data or dangerous goods classification are missing. This protects the brand and ensures safe, on-time delivery. We have quite the groundbreaking innovation in our next area, asset management. The SAP Maintenance Assistant mobile app for SAP S/4HANA Cloud is a new mobile application for maintenance technicians using SAP S/4HANA Cloud. With this app, the execution of your task is not longer bound to the desk. It allows you to manage and execute work orders and operations, create and manage maintenance requests, and assess request priorities flexibly from your mobile phone. And the best part? By downloading the relevant business data on your device, you can take advantage of all functionalities in offline mode. Not only does this offer full flexibility and improve the overall user experience, it also reduces the paperwork and costs. Additionally, we continuously invest in our product's intelligence and in its automation. With SAP Intelligent Robotic Process Automation, check out our IRPA Bot Store and Best Practice Explorer to find out how hundreds of bots can help you to meet your automation goal. You can also learn more about it in Yannick Petterschmidt's Intelligent ERP update in video and blog. Now, adapting to our ever-changing environment is a crucial step to success. Therefore, we continue to improve SAP Activate Methodology for SAP S/4HANA Cloud for our users. We've also enhanced the functionality in SAP Activate Roadmap Viewer to make it easier to find accelerators and access the methodology content. Now, before I let you go, I'd like to invite you to join our new SAP S/4HANA Cloud community, where you can share your experiences, engage with the experts, and get support for your projects. Thanks for tuning in this quarter. Stay safe, stay healthy, and see you next time.